Good day everybody, welcome to RecipeCheckr, your cooking channel for restaurant style and real recipes. I'm Sunder. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make poha. Poha is an instant dish and it's widely eaten for breakfast across India. There are so many fine details goes into making the fine poha. This is including selection of the poha, the soaking time and the cooking process. That's what I'm going to show you today. Stay tuned. The total cooking time required for making poha is about 20 minutes. Soak the poha in a cold water, soak it in a cold water. Then just strain it and keep it aside. And straight away started putting the pan. Once the pan is warm, I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And once it's warm, always the question comes is how much cooking oil I supposed to use. The cooking oil directly relates to how much onion usually and the ingredients you're going to saute. So you don't want much of oil into it, especially if it's a breakfast dish. The lesser the oil you use it's always better. So once this is a little warm, then I'm going to start with fennel. So once it's sauteed a bit, I'm going to add the cumin. Once it's crackled, I'm going to add the peanuts. Then adding the green chilies, chopped green chilies. Ginger. Once the raw flavor is gone, adding the chopped onion. The moment I add the onion, I always add a little bit of salt. Now once the onion saute a little bit, we don't want brown in color, I'm going to add the potato. Here the potato, what I made is I've diced it and then I boiled it and then I just blanched it in a hot oil for about 3 seconds. I'm going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 pinches of chili powder. We don't want much, we don't want any additional color, and 2 pinches of asafoetida. It takes only about 20 to 30 seconds for the turmeric powder and the chili powder lose its raw flavor. It's ready now. Then I'm going to add the poha. So you see the poha is soaked, wet, it's ready and loose. So I'm going to just sprinkle nicely on my hand. And at this stage, I'm going to reduce the flame. And I'm going to add about 2 pinches of sugar and a few drops of lemon for balance again. A little sour taste. These are the small things. Makes your restaurant food something very special and unique, and that's my idea of showing you so that you can make the same. And this is ready now, perfect. And I'm going to switch this off. I'm going to sprinkle some coriander leaves and the poha is ready. I can smell the fresh coriander. The freshness of the dish is very much alive. Good for breakfast, especially India. This is considered to be one of the very popular breakfasts. Hope you enjoyed the video today. So please try this recipe at home. And I would love to hear your comment on your experience of making this recipe. Thank you so much. I look forward to see you with another beautiful recipe.